We're gonna make some dollar store glitter pens. So this is a set of 3 that I found at the dollar store. You want to unpackage them and disassemble them. You can really do this with any type of pen that has a removable backing. I just saw these 3 colored ones at the dollar store and I thought they'd be fun to do with all the fun bright colors that we have from our glitter collection. Just keep in mind that you can use any type of pen. As long as you can remove the back and take out the guts, you are ready to rock and roll. I started by taping off the part that I don't want to get any glitter on. Then I went ahead and spray painted them colors similar to the glitter color that I was going to use. Then I just applied a thick coat of spray adhesive. Sprinkle your glitter color of choice over the spray adhesive. Once you've got the glitter on each pen, you're going to go ahead and spray it with a clear coat spray paint. I like to use glossy so that I don't use any of the shine. Make sure the pens are completely dry from the spray paint before you move on to the next step. You can see here that I use paint brushes to stick down inside the pens and then mount them to the foam of the turner. This is a LittleLee and Rose turner. You can also see that I then use rubber bands to stabilize. So your next step is going to be applying the epoxy. You want to make sure the epoxy is mixed thoroughly and that your turner is rotating. I'm using LittleLee and Rose Pouring Art Epoxy. It is a mixture of 1:1. Then I just take my finger and gently apply it to each pen, making sure all the parts of the glitter are coated really, really well with the epoxy. I don't rush, I take my time as the turner spins and I just make sure each pen is thoroughly coated. Then I go ahead and remove the tape. Removing the tape right away is very important. That way you don't get any stringy mess off of your epoxy. So this will be your first layer of epoxy. After that step, you can add your fun decals. I just chose cheetah print for these, but you can really use any type of decal. You can add a name, you can do whatever, or you can just leave them just plain and glittered. Like I said, I thought the cheetah print was gonna be really fun, a background against the neon colors of the pens. And once I did one, I realized that they did look great, so I went ahead and did all 3 pens with the cheetah print. I used my Cricut Maker to cut out the cheetah print on the black vinyl, and then used transfer tape that I found on our Amazon shopping list to apply them. I dispersed them in a random pattern so that they looked very natural on each pen. And once I have each one covered in the cheetah print, I went ahead and re-taped off the top so that epoxy would not touch the rubber part where your fingers would go. So once you have your vinyl added and the top re-taped off, you go ahead and add your final coat of epoxy. As you see, by using LittleLee and Rose epoxy, there was no sanding needed. It's only going to take 2 coats of epoxy and these will be all finished. So right when we apply this last round of epoxy, we're going to pull that tape off from the top as well as like we did in the first round. Then we're going to reassemble the pens and they're ready to rock and roll. I hope you guys had fun learning how to turn a simple dollar store pen into a really fun little adventure. I'm going to hand these out to my triplets teachers and they're going to love them, I'm sure. If you guys liked this video, like and subscribe. See you guys on the next tutorial.